TNXP stock is trending due to mounting anticipation around a possible FDA approval for its fibromyalgia treatment, with the decision expected in the coming weeks. The stock has seen a notable surge in unusual trading volume, fueling intense speculation among retail traders and biotech-focused investors alike. Community members are zeroing in on several bullish factors. Tonix reportedly maintained a solid cash position, no significant debt on its balance sheet, and a pipeline that includes multiple near-term catalysts beyond the fibromyalgia readout, such as additional trials in PTSD and long COVID treatments. Some traders see this diversified pipeline as a hedge against a single negative outcome. However, the stock's history is also part of the conversation. TNXP has been known for sharp spikes followed by steep declines, classic pump and dump cycles that make both traders and skeptics wary. This pattern, combined with the unusual high short interest that has traders debating the potential for a significant short squeeze if positive news hits. Sentiment on social platforms is mixed, but leaning bullish in the short term, with some traders targeting possible price levels based on prior FDA run-ups in the biotech sector. Risk-tolerant investors are watching the options chain for signs of large directional bets, while more cautious voices are warning about dilution risks if the company decides to capitalize on any price surge with an equity raise. Overall, TNXP has become a battleground stock, a speculative play with real catalysts, credible upside, and the ever-present volatility that comes with small-cap biotech names riding the regulatory approval roller coaster. So, yeah, as of the last time we covered the stock, it was on the 12th of June. It had just was still slightly dipping from the plunge of the previous session. We had 29.60 at then, but it has since gone on to print the current price of 42.78. So in the very short time, the stock has been in a strong bullish trend. Let's see, its 200 period moving average is sloping bullishly upwards. This is its 4-hour chart. Yeah, and this is a very short time. It has been doing very well. The price pressure momentum of its 10 and 21 period moving averages are strongly bullish, and the derivatives are equally supporting it. So, however, we have that we might see the peak of this strength by today's trading session. Yeah, by today's trading session, then after that we might see a decline, coming all the way down to around $40.38 by Wednesday the 16th. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. In terms of projections, we had projections that they've all since been taken out. We had 26.21, 31.74. They're still in play, but because they're now downward projections, they're now supports. So now it doesn't have any upper projection, only 40.39. It's a downward projection. Let's have a look at its daily chart and see if we. Okay, before we do that, we can apply the market greed. It might give us some market. It can give us some upper projections, or we may be able to calculate it here. Let's see. We will have a look at the indicators, and then we will also calculate, and we'll see and we'll compare them. Market greed. Let's see if it is actually okay. Just slightly above where it is. We have 46.50. That also coincides with yeah, okay, 46.98. It got rejected at that price in this session. Okay, so we might just be able to go ahead and calculate this projection. Let's do the calculation. Coming back to think or swim, we just take the difference between the top of this bar, this candle, 45.96, and 45.96 and 44.01. Okay, that will give us 1.95 is the difference. So we use 1.95 to begin to project. 1.95 multiplied by 1.618. We have 3.115. Add that to 45.30. And we have 48.45. We'll write it down. 48.45. Okay, 1.95 multiplied by 2.618. Add that to the current price of 45.3. We have 50.41. 50.41. And we have 1.95 multiplied by 3.618. We add that to the current price 45.3. We have 52.36. 52.36. So those are the projections: 48.45, 50.41, 52.36. We don't have any of those. We could still have a look at the daily chart. You will never know what we're going to see there. Let's come down to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we have 58.97. Okay, even more ambitious than we are. 70.42, 77.49. So yeah, there's nothing to worry about. We have our calculations are intact since the algos themselves have projected even more ambitious projections. So as things stand right now, okay, we can still refer to the extrapolation on this daily chart. It's in agreement with what we have on the daily chart. Lower prices are expected to print, coming down all the way towards Friday the 18th. Yeah, we have 38.59, and then after that, the spike, the uptrend will resume. Yeah, underlying trend is strongly bullish as well. Yeah, so let's see how things go. Let's see how things go. So see what you make of TNXP, and thank you very much for watching this video.